Hello, friends. Welcome back to another journey into the hidden treasures of American coinage. Today, we're diving into the story of the Sacagawea $1 coin, specifically the legendary 2000p issue. At first glance, this golden dollar looks like an ordinary piece of money you might receive in change at a store. But hidden within certain examples of this coin lies the power to make someone a millionaire overnight. Yes, $1 that can be worth millions today if preserved in flawless condition or struck with rare features. To understand why this coin is so special, we must begin with its origin. The Sacagawea dollar was first minted in the year 2000 by the United States Mint as a replacement for the less popular Susan B. Anthony dollar. Its design honored Sacagawea, the brave Shoshone woman who guided Lewis and Clark on their famous expedition across America. On the obverse of the coin, she is depicted carrying her infant son, Jean-Baptiste, symbolizing courage, guidance, and the spirit of exploration. This was not just a coin, it was a tribute to the resilience of Native American heritage. The reverse of the coin carried the image of a soaring eagle, representing freedom and strength. Unlike the silver-colored dollars before it, the Sacagawea dollar had a golden appearance thanks to its manganese brass alloy. This made it stand out in circulation, shining like a piece of treasure in every hand it touched. People nicknamed it the Golden Dollar, and at the time of release, it sparked huge excitement among the public and collectors alike. But among the millions of Sacagawea dollars minted in 2000, the Philadelphia Mint's 2000p coin stand out as the most mysterious and valuable. Some of these coins, struck with rare errors or preserved in the highest possible grade, carry unimaginable value today. Stories spread of coins selling for thousands, even millions, depending on their condition and rarity. This is the magic of numismatics. Something as simple as a coin in your hand may hold more wealth than a chest of gold. One of the most famous stories tied to the 2000p Sacagawea dollar is the rare Cheerios dollar. When the coin was first released, the U.S. Mint placed some into cereal boxes as a promotional gift. But what no one knew at the time was that some of these promotional coins carried a special reverse design with enhanced eagle tail feathers. This tiny difference turned a simple coin into a national treasure. Today, collectors fight fiercely for these Cheerios dollars, and in pristine condition, they are worth a fortune that could change your life overnight. Condition, as always, is the key to value. Millions of Sacagawea dollars circulated in daily life, but the few that were never touched, never scratched, and remain in mint state condition are the ones that can bring unimaginable wealth. Collectors and investors alike know that a perfect grade coin is like owning a diamond, rare, radiant, and priceless. Combine that perfection with the rare traits of the 2000p issue, and you hold a coin that is not just money, but a treasure worth millions. The Sacagawea dollar also carries symbolic power beyond its price. It represents the recognition of Native American history in the very heart of U.S. currency. Sacagawea, though she never lived to see her own legend honored, became an eternal symbol of guidance, leadership, and hope. That emotional connection makes this coin deeply meaningful to collectors beyond its metallic value. Its history, heritage, and honor all wrapped into a single shining piece. For the treasure hunters watching this, the lesson is clear: never underestimate the power of the coins you come across. That old dollar tucked away in a drawer, that golden piece left in a jar, or that special edition hidden in a collection could be worth millions. Many people have unknowingly spent or lost fortunes without realizing what they held in their hands. If you find a 2000p Sacagawea dollar, do not let it go cheaply. It may be your ticket to fortune, your bridge to a life you never imagined. So, my friends, the Sacagawea dollar is not just a coin. It's a story of bravery, a symbol of America's past, and for the lucky few, a golden key to unimaginable wealth. The 2000p issue has become one of the most valuable and expensive modern coins in U.S. history, proving that sometimes the greatest treasures are hidden in plain sight. If you ever come across one, treat it like the rare jewel it is, because that one small coin might hold the power to change your destiny forever.